Dear students, all are welcome to Maths class Standard 7. Hope you are very well and safe at your home. In the last class, we studied about corresponding and alternate angle pairs. The idea we studied, in short, we can say the angles formed by a line cutting across two parallel lines can be paired in several ways. Choosing one angle of the four made with one line and one of the four made with the other. Of these, 8 pairs are equal angles based on the similarity in positions with respect to the line are called corresponding angles, and based on the reverse position with respect to the lines are called alternate angles. Okay, I would like to discuss the remaining two topics of this lesson, parallel line. Those are supplementary angles pairing, and parallel lines and triangle. First of all, we can move to supplementary pairs. Listen to this figure. This figure is two parallel lines cut across by a crossing line. AB and CD are parallel. EF is the crossing line. Listen to this angle. Here it is 70 degree. Then how much is the measurement of this question mark angle? We can very easily compute by the things we studied. We know that parallel lines make equal slant with the other line, and so here the slant is 70 and also here slant is 70. Then we can compute with a linear pair system. How much is here? 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. Now check the measurement. It's okay, 110. These two angles, listen here. Now we are going to understand the features of these two angles. Here it is 70, here it is 110. What about their position? These two angles come in between parallel lines and the same side of crossing line. And what about the measurement? Here it is 70, here it is 110, and total measurement is 180. When the sum of two angles became 180, we can call that angles supplementary angles. We studied earlier in the 6th standard. And so these two angles are supplementary pair. Then they lies in between parallel lines and same side of crossing line. And so this pair is called co-interior angle. The word interior, you know. Yes, we are using interior paints to paint in our rooms. Okay, interior decoration. So inside or in between parallel lines. So these two angles pair known as co-interior angles, and their measurement is supplementary. If we add these two angles measurements, we will get 180. One more such pair we can see here. That is this angle and this angle. These two angles are in between parallel lines. We can name the angles AGF and CHE. AGF and CHE are supplementary pairs and also co-interior angles. Then how many pairs of co-interior angles we get? Two pairs of co-interior angles. One pair is DHE and BGF. Second pair is AGF and CHE. This type of pairing is known as co-interior angles. Okay, then you can listen to another type of pairing. This pairing is entirely different from the earlier pairing. This angle come outside parallel line, this also outside parallel line. And so we can say angle BGE and the angle DHF are outside parallel lines and they are supplementary, same side of crossing line, and they are supplementary angles. So what can we call this pair? Here it is inside interior and here it is outside, yes, exterior, co-exterior angles. This angle and this angle are co-exterior angles. We can see such a pair, one more pair. Listen here. AGE 110 measurement and CHF 70 measurement. And these two also co-exterior angles. These two are outside parallel line and the same side of crossing line. Then we got the idea. We can conclude in this way. When a line cutting across a pair of parallel lines, we will get two supplementary pairs of interior angles and two supplementary pairs of exterior angles, and these pairs are supplementary. It means their sum, the measurement sum is 180. Okay, it is very easy to understand. So I will give you one assignment here. Listen to this assignment. You can see a figure here. This AB and CD are parallel. In the examples we studied, horizontal parallels are there. Here vertical parallels are there. Don't mind it. And this one is crossing line. A1F. Okay. One angle measurement is given here. How much is it? 100 degree. Then we can compute all the other measurements. We studied it. And so you have to draw this figure in your notebook. You try to make here 100 degree and draw correctly this figure, then write all the other measurements without any measuring. Then today we studied co-interior and co-exterior pair. Analyze this figure and find pairs of co-interior angles and co-exterior angles. You have to make two columns, one for co-interior pairs and the other for co-exterior pairs. And write the name of pairs of co-interior, two lines, and angle, name, measurement, etc. Then in the next column, write the two pairs of co-exterior angles, their name and measurement. Okay, all of you got the idea how to solve this assignment. Let me conclude this portion here, then we can move to next, the last part of our lesson, parallel line. Parallel lines and triangle. Everybody know the triangle has three angles. Every triangle has three angles. And we studied earlier in the class the sum of the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Here in this class we are trying to prove how a triangle angles become 180. For this I drew a figure here, AX, segment AX, and I made an angle here 50 degree. Angle XAB is now 50 degree. Then move to next figure. The next figure has some changes. What changes occurred here? In this figure, I drew a parallel line through B to AX. This line is parallel to AX. We can see at a look, at a glance we can realize it. Then here you can see a question mark. How much is the measurement of this angle? We know here it is 50. These two are co-interior supplementary pairs. And so supplementary means 180. Then here it is 50. And what about here? 130. Okay. Then move to next figure. What is the change here? Here we drew a line, a slanted line named BC with the measurement of 70 degree. Here we can see the measurement 70 degree. Here it is 50 degree. Okay. Now the question is, ABC is a triangle. And what is the measurement of the angle C here? We can say very easily total 180, and we can subtract this sum of these two angles from 180, we will get it. But here we are proving this angle measurement by using this parallel line. We know in the earlier figure we told the measurement of this co-interior supplementary, it is 130. And if we subtract 70 from 130, what will be the result? It is 60. Now what is the measurement of this angle? We can find the measurement here by using angle tool. Then we can click in the clockwise direction. Then we will get the answer here. Yes, we can check it. What is the figure here? It is also 60. Then how can we find this angle by using parallel lines? We know AX and BY are parallel. And consider this BC as a crossing line. For that we can extend the line. Okay, we can consider in this way. And these two lines are parallel. We can extend that two lines also. Okay. Now this angle, listen here, this angle, which is it? CBY. The angle CBY and ACB are alternate pairs. We studied earlier. Alternate pair. And what about the measurement of alternate pair? Measurement of alternate pairs are same. And so what will be here? 60. Then we can measure it again. Angle tool. Clockwise direction. I committed mistake in clicking direction. Now it is 60. Okay. Here it is 60 and here it is compulsorily 60. And so we can prove that the measurement of these three angles sum. The sum of the measurement of these three angles are 180. Because this 50, 70, 60 are 180. And so 50, 70, 60 are 180. Thus we can prove all the angles in a triangle sum is 180. Okay. Now we can conclude this lesson here. Then here an assignment based on this parallel lines and triangle. Listen to this assignment. I have given you a triangle ABC. Angle measurement of A 44 and C 102. These two angles are given. Then here B is blank and you have to find the measurement of B by using or with the help of parallel lines. And so you observe once more my class and draw a figure in this way. Then draw parallel line here through C to AB. Then you can find this angle measurement. Then that measurement should be here. Thus you can prove this figure. Assignment: can you compute angles C with the help of parallel lines? Okay. Then let me conclude this chapter here. all are well understood the chapter. I hope it is my expectation, and do all the works given in your textbook as well as all the works given by the teachers whom are taking classes in Victor's channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all.